In this video, we will talk about how to program a DSE 7410 generator controller. This is a FG Wilson 800 kVA generator. After removing the previous Power Wizard controller and replacing it with a DSE 7410 controller, and how to program it is brought to you. First, let's know some details about the controller. Here are the dimensions of the controller. Front view of the controller. Back view of the controller. Wiring diagram of the controller. This is a controller programming software, DSE Configuration Suite. After the controller is recognized by the computer, it will show like this. After that, the program mentioned in the controller should be downloaded to the computer in this way. Here in this way, we want to display an alarm or something else on the panel and print it. Here we can select other options that we need. Here you can select the type of engine used in our generator. It is selected as a conventional engine because it is not controlled by an ECM. Here, analog input A is used for the oil pressure sensor and analog input B is used for the coolant temperature sensor. Analog input C is omitted because we are not using the diesel level indicator. By default, digital output A is used for the fuel relay and digital output B is used for the starter motor. Here we can set different timer times of the generator. This allows different settings of the generator alternator. Generator voltage settings can be done here. Generator frequency settings can be done here. Settings of current transformer ratings. Here is how to set up the current. Here we need to select the oil pressure sensor used for the generator. Here we need to select the coolant temperature sensor used for the generator. Here the generator battery-related settings can be done. After all the settings, the program must be written into the controller. Here's how to do it. Thanks for watching.